we discussed about the base value 50. We discussed about base value 100. Now we are going to discuss the base value with 200. Now look at here. With this strip, the concept which we are going to discuss with the 200 will be applicable for 300, 400, 500, and so on number, for every number. Okay. So this is important concept. What we are going to discuss here, this base 200, how to do the calculation. So let's take one number 198 square. Okay.
Yes.
Now, in case of 198, again we are going to take the base value 200 because 100 is very far from 198. So now, tell me the first step. What is the difference?
2.
Minus 2 we can say, less than. So 2 square is 0. Okay. It's clear?
Yes.
0. Now, next step is what? We will going to do the subtraction from the number itself. Why we are subtracting from the number itself? Why? Because this number is less than with our base. So I told you, when the number is less than base, what you have to do? Subtract. Here you can see that I told you, when the number is less than your base value, you will doing the subtraction. Here number is 100, less than 100, that is 97, 98, 92, we do the subtraction. Here 198, 88, 190, we do the subtraction. And when the number is greater than, you do the addition, right? Everything is same, only difference is addition and subtraction. When the number is greater than the base value, you do the addition. These all numbers are greater than 200. So we do addition. All these numbers are less than 200. So we do the subtraction. Here. So we are going to do 198 minus 2. So number is what? 190. Now, all these processes are similar to the base value 100. Nothing different, right?
Yes.
Now, the different is what? In case of 100, we don't have to multiply with 1 because multiplying with 1 doesn't affect any value, right? So we don't do the multiplication. But in case of 200, we have to multiply with 2. This 2. Okay? So this value will going to be doubled. 196 minus multiply with 2 is 390. So 39204 is the answer of this. Understood? So this is the unique step. What is the unique step? Everything is same like a base value 100, but in the last step, you have to multiply with 2. That is the only difference. Let's take one more example. 196 square. Now, what we are going to take? Base 200. Now tell me, difference 4. 4 square, 16. Now 196 minus 4, that is 192. It will going to double. So it is 381. Answer. How much time it will take? Hardly 5 seconds. 38416 is the. What if the number is greater than 200, like 207?
Just add.
Again, difference is what? Just add. Difference is from 200, 7. 7 square, 49. Now 207 will going to be added 7. So 214. And you don't have to do all these things. You can do it in mentally. I'm doing because I'm teaching. You don't have to do all this drawing. You can do it mentally. 20, it will become 214. And it will going to be doubled. So what? 4, 2, 8. Answer. Now, as I said earlier, that everything is same if the base value is 300 as well. So what is the difference in the case of 307?
We do it with 3. Multiply with 3.
Simple. In this case, we will going to do the multiplication with 3. Why? Because our base here is 300 and our difference is 7. So 7 square is 49. Now the number will going to be added in the number itself because base is the number is greater than base. So 307 plus 7 is 314 and it will going to be multiplied with 3, not 2 because base is 3. It is 9, 4, 2, 4, 3. Let's take one example here. 398 square. So now we are going to discuss 398 squares. What we are going to take here? Base will be here 400 because this number is nearer from 400. So our difference is what? 2. So 2 square is 04. So that I am writing here. Now 398 minus 2. Why? Because this number is less than our base value. So minus 2. Number we will get 396. Now this number will going to multiply with 4, not 3.
Yes.
So 4 multiplied. So because this number is multiplied by 4, we know that the difference minus 4 difference between 400. So 400 into 400 is 1600. So 1600 minus 4 4 is 16. So 584. This is the number which have to write down. 158404 is the answer. Okay. In that way, you can find the square of any number. Now, only thing you have to do is you have to do the practice. If you do the practice, it will become easy.